everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on this DIY all the time crayon pendants. Let's begin. So you first want to take a cheese grater and your crayons, depending on your color combination. I'm going with rainbow, so of course I'm going with Roy G. Biv is how I remember it. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, but I just went with violet. And here you have your shredded crayons here. Again, it just kind of depends on what color combination or design you're going with, but of course I just wanted to go classic rainbow. I felt like that was a must, just to kind of see how it came out. Then I am just going to use some tweezers to place my crayon shavings onto my pendant itself. I did use tweezers just because they were a lot of little intricate colors having to be placed, and I want to make sure I got each one placed in there. And then I am going to move on to another pendant here. I didn't show you how I shaved everything. It was basically the same steps, but I have white, black, and gray. I initially wanted to make a moon, but I kind of went into this DIY without really thinking it through, to be honest. So what I should have done is kind of done like a black overlay first and then go in with the white and the gray, but it's okay. I ended up loving how it came out, looking like or resembling a marble. So then you want to bake at 350 for about 5 minutes, but you do just want to keep an eye on them just in case. And then you just want to place them with this clear adhesive here. Lucky for me, my pendants did come with this piece intact, but if not, you can just use clear glue to kind of first make your little clear pendant and then just place it on top with some glue, of course. Then you just want to add your chain, and of course do the same thing to the marble pendant as well. There you go, you have 2 crayon pendants. Alright, well thank you for watching, everybody. And just to let you know, you can also do this with rings. It would be a really cute, like, big staple ring if you did it that way. I think that's actually what I'm gonna do next. Alright, well thanks for watching, and please subscribe.